back to my channel. Here we are still working on this mechanical drawing problem, as we have worked on the sectional front view while we want to work on the plan now. So let's look at how that is going to. Don't forget that we are going to assemble. So we are going to put these two parts, the bush and also the shaft, in here. So that is what we are going to do right now. So let's start and see how that is going to be. So what we need to do is to draw the plan, to draw this view as we see here. So after we have drawn that, we need to show that we insert this bush in here, and we also insert the shaft. We insert it in. So that's what we just need to show here. So let's work that out. So so the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to extend this vertical center line. So I will extend this vertical center line, and it goes like this. It goes like this. Alright, so having extended this vertical center lines, I'll just come up a little bit, and then I will draw horizontal center line like this. Alright, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that, as you can see here in the plan, that the distance from here to this point here is 32. Then the total is what? Is 76. So 76 by 76 by 2, that will give me 38. So I'll take a measurement of 38 millimeters down and 38 millimeters up. So this is 38 millimeters down and 38 millimeters up to make it 76. So this is 76 here. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So from this point I will draw horizontal line, so like this, and here also I will draw horizontal line like this. Alright, so then the end here, so this line that we have here, I've already drawn this line here, that is the end. So I need to bring this, I need to bring it down. So I'll just take it down like this. Just bring it down here like this. Alright, so the next that I'm going to do is that the web. So the web is, the thickness of the web is from here to here. So so we have 32, that is what? That is 64. So if I subtract 64, so from 76, so 76 and 64, so if I subtract that, so that's going to give me what? That's going to give me 12. So the thickness of the web is 12. So what I need to do now is that I will take, coming to this line, I will take a measurement of so 6 millimeters down, so 6 millimeters down and 6 millimeters up, so making it 12 millimeters. This is 12 millimeters here. Okay, sorry. So this is 6 millimeters. 6 millimeters down. Sorry, it is 6 millimeters down, 6 millimeters up. That is what. Okay. So we have that, and then also, so this line. So this line that we have here, I also need to project it down. Okay. So we need to project it down, and it's going to be a short dashes line. But first of all, I first draw it. So like this. Okay. Alright, so we have that. Then so we have the web. So the web, I need to, okay, so before I go on, so I'm going to draw these circles. So these circles that we have here, I need to draw them. I need to draw those two circles first. Okay. So the diameter of this circle is 36, as we see here. So we divide 36 by 2, and that will give us 18 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters. So we put at this center here, and we draw a circle. So we draw a circle. So draw a circle like this. Okay. So here we have the circle. Then another circle that we have here is this circle that we have in here. So for this circle, so the radius of this circle, the diameter is 24. Diameter is 24, so the radius is 12. So we need to take that measurement. So that is, we take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. So putting it at the center here, so we draw the circle. So we draw the circle like this. Alright, so we have the circle in place. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do now is that, so for this web that we have here, so which we have already taken the distance, so I need to draw a line from where we have this 6 here. So I will draw this line so it joins this point, and also so draw from here so it touches this like this. Alright, so we have that. So then also, so from this point here, from this point I need to draw a line, because that says that we have under this one is going to be hidden in the plan. So I need to draw this line, and also I will come to this point, I will also draw this line. Okay, so draw this line here, and also there is a line at this point here. So at this point there is a line at this point which we need to show in the plan. So I'll just come to this point. So we have the line, so I take it down like this. Okay, so that line is going to show at this point. So then, so by the time I bring this shaft, so already this circle that we have here is meant for the circle that we have around here, so which is distance from here to here is 24. So that's what we are going to see. So we have already drawn it, but for this one, which is 18 from here to here, is also circular, so we need to show it here. So if we divide 18 by 2, that will give us 9 millimeters. We have to draw that circle. So I will take a measurement of 9 millimeters on my ruler with the compass, then putting it at this point, we have to draw that circle. So we draw the circle like this. So this is the head of the circular part of the shaft. So why this circle that we have here is for this part here. For this part is also circular. So for this part of the shaft, that is for the circle that we have here. So that has been put in place. So what we need to do now is that, so we go on, and then we also have holes. So we have holes at this point. We have holes at this point. So I didn't show the hole here in the front, sectional front elevation. So I just decided not to do that. So I don't know. Okay. So I just decided not to do that so that you can have this action. So but we have to show the holes here in the plan, and the diameter of that hole is 12 millimeters. So the radius is 6 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 6 millimeters, but we have to locate that point. So so as we are given here, so it's in the middle. So we divide 60 by 2, and that is 30. So this is 60 from here to here. So we have 30. So this is 30 millimeters here. Okay, so that 30 millimeters, I will draw a center line. So here I will draw a center line. Alright, so and then distance, so distance from here to here is 5. So we also have from here to here. So if I want to get the center of this, the center here, that's what I want to get. Alright, so it is distance from here to here that we are given. That is 5. So it is that 5 that we have to take. So we take 5 millimeters. So coming to this end here, I will take 5 millimeters. Okay. And then, so from here, I'll take 5 millimeters. So I'm going to get these points. So I just mark it here like this. Then coming here, I will mark it here. Okay. So it is from here. So having taken that 6, I'll just come here and get the center of the circle. Okay, is this 6 millimeters? Okay, it is not 6 millimeters. So this is 6 now. So I put at this point. So this is the center of the circle. I'm putting at this point. This point will be the center of the circle. So I can now put the pinpoint of my compass here. Okay, and then I will draw the circle. So I have to take it easy. So it goes like this. So the diameter is 12, as I said. Alright, so I've drawn this one. Also, I'll bring it to this point. And I'll draw the circle like this. Alright, so I'll draw the circles. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do here is to bring out the visible outlines of the plan. So I'll do that while I pause the video. Alright, so this is the plan as we're asked to draw it. As simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Let us meet on the left hand view. Thank you.